In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And the first off, open up Facebook app, then hit at menu. And after that, tap at that gear icon to open up settings. On settings at the very top, tap at storage box and then just type in delete. Once you did that, tap where it says delete your profile and information. And that's where you can select whether deactivate or delete your Facebook account. If you just want to take a break and you want to hide your profile and all your Facebook content from internet, you can select deactivate account. Once you deactivated, your account will be disabled, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. However, you still will be able to continue using Facebook Messenger. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you can hit Add Delete Account, and then hit Add Continue to Account Deletion. Now it says that these pages and profiles will be also deleted. To continue, tap Add Continue button, then tap Add Continue to Account Deletion. And that is the last step before deleting your account. There you can select deactivate account. Instead of deleting, you can save all your posts in archive. You can download all your information. As you can see, I got 48 photos, 12 posts, and more uploads on Facebook. And I can download all that stuff by hitting and download info. Also, I can transfer my information to another service, including post photos, videos, and more. And then just scroll down. And you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, just hit where it says delete account, and then your account will be permanently deleted. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.